Great day, everyone. This is Teacher Marigar, and welcome to EnglishReadingStarter5. It's another day to learn new interesting topic and to gain knowledge in this book, English Reading Starter 5. Learning new topic will give you knowledge about different things around you. So, join me in exploring English. Are you ready now? Good. Let's start. Today, we will discuss a topic under science. We will study Unit 7. Let's learn about this passage entitled Fossil. Look at the picture. This is an example of a fossil. So let's find out more about it. I will read it for you, but first I will read it slowly so you can get the correct pronunciation of the words. And after that, you can join me in reading it again. So listen very carefully. Alright, I will start now. Fossils are the remains of animals or plants. They are usually inside of rocks. They are typically more than 10,000 years old. Fossils are made by sudden changes on the earth like volcanoes and tsunamis. Animals and plants are buried in soil by these sudden changes. Then they become rocks. The oldest fossil is about 4 billion years old. And now, let's read it again, but faster than the first one. Let's begin. Fossils are the remains of animals or plants. They are usually inside of rocks. They are typically more than 10,000 years old. Fossils are made by sudden changes on the earth like volcanoes and tsunamis. Animals and plants are buried in soil by these sudden changes. Then they become rocks. The oldest fossil is about 4 billion years old. Alright, I hope that you got the correct pronunciation of the words. If you have some time, try to read it again to enhance your ability in reading and speaking. So, after reading the passage, let's have an activity here and let's answer it together. So let's do this. Select true or false. In this part, we will find out if the sentence is true or false. It is true if the sentence is correct according to passage and false if not. So let's start. Let's answer number 1. We can find fossils inside of a rock. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Let's see our proof. They are usually inside of rocks. How about number 2? Volcanoes can make fossils. Is it true or false? The answer is it's false. Why? Fossils are made by sudden changes on the earth like volcanoes and tsunamis. It doesn't mean volcanoes can make it, but it is made by sudden changes on the earth. Okay, how about number 3? The oldest fossil is about 400 years old. Is it true or false? The answer is it's false. Why? Because the oldest fossil is about 4 billion years old. Okay, very good. So, we finished this activity. Now, let's learn more vocabulary words. let's look at our word to know. You can see here 8 different words, right? So, I will read it for you, then repeat after me. Are you ready now? So let's start. Fossil, remain, sudden, volcano, tsunami, bury, soil, and the last word, billion. Okay, so these following words will be useful in making your own sentences in the future. Okay, so now let's go to this more to know. Okay, so for today, we will find out the meaning of the word typically. Okay, we will find out its meaning in English. So first, let's read those examples here to find out its meaning. Okay, first one, the class typically lasts 1 hour. Next, dogs typically live about 15 years. Alright, so now what is the meaning of typically in English? It means, it's in usual way, in most cases, or on most occasions. Got it? Very good. So, this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope that you learned a lot. So, if you want to learn more and want to develop your English skills, you are welcome to visit camplish.com. Again, this is Teacher Mary Carr, and see you in our next video. Bye!